Avery and Ben shared the total cost of a gift. Avery paid $25 more than 2 over 9 of the cost of the gift. Ben paid $15 less than Avery. How much did the gift cost? Now, Avery and Ben, they are splitting the cost of the gift. Alright, it may not be equal, alright, but what this question tells us is that they will be sharing the cost of this particular gift. And from this statement alone, we will know that the gift will be costing 9 units. And for Avery, right, he is paying 2 units plus $25. Again, Avery is paying 2 units plus $25. So as for Ben, how much is he paying? He's paying $15 less than Avery. And when you add both Ben and Avery's amounts up, it must be equals to 9 units. This is very important to understand. Okay, so we start with Avery. Avery will be 2 boxes plus another $25. Okay, as for Ben, it will be $15 lesser than this Avery's amount. Okay, so that $15 you can subtract away from this section here. So you will still get 2 boxes for Ben, and 25 minus 15, that will be just another $10 more than 2 units. Alright, now since we know the cost of the gift is 9 units in total, over here we already have 1, 2, 3, 4. So which means that 25 plus 10 must be 9 minus that 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Okay, so 9 minus 4, this is 5 units. And again, 5 units will be equals to 25 plus $10. 5 units will be equals to $35. How much is the gift? 1 unit will be 35. Divide by 5, that is $7. And we can proceed to find 9 units. $7 times 9 to give us a final answer of $63.